G'day and welcome to the Guy Who Sews channel. My name is Sean and today I'm going to take these wonderful pieces of pre-cut fabric, put them together into a beautiful block as clue 4 of the Village Green Puzzle Mystery Quilt by Cotton Cuts. It's been such a fun project. We put the blocks together but we don't know the final quilt assembly instructions until the very end. If you haven't seen it, check out their website cottoncuts.com. But before you do that, just watch this wonderful video. It's all sped up, so it's great for entertainment value, but it's also helpful if you are trying to sew along with us. So I hope you enjoy. So we are all done with clue 4. Let's take a quick look to see how it turned out, and I think it turned out beautifully. I love all the different colors. My favorites would probably be this one here, which looks like this night sky, and then these ones here kind of remind me of fireworks, especially next to the night sky. Let me know what you think. Last time around, I thought I had cracked the center of the quilt, and I'm still going to go at that guess for right now. But how the rest of it goes together right now, I don't know. These are the same width, and they have more of these half triangles, half squares here, so these could go very close to the other. But who knows? I really need more clues to figure it out. I'm going to try and figure it out. I know I'm not going to, but, you know, why not have some fun towards the end and just see how close my guess will be. Let me know what you think of this video. I always love hearing your comments. If you liked it, hit the like button. I hope you all have a great day. Happy sewing, and we'll see you next time.